Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the aircraft. Load an airframe that supports GPS-guided bombs and fit 1-4 guided munitions. Once loaded, make sure avionics are active, HUD, navigation, and the targeting computer. You should set your flight model and controls to a comfortable sensitivity before takeoff. After engine start and taxi, run a quick systems check to confirm bombs are visible in the HUD or weapon panel. This ensures the game will accept target locks and coordinate input once you reach the target area. You now fly toward the objective, stabilize the aircraft at the recommended altitude and approach speed for the bomb type. Once over the target zone, open the ordnance panel and select the GPS-guided bomb. Input the target coordinates or place the map marker directly on the desired aim point. Make sure the bomb is set to GPS guidance rather than laser if that's the intent, and verify release parameters like delay or auto-release. These settings tell the munition how to navigate and when to arm for impact. You execute the drop by aligning your aim point with the HUD and releasing at the calculated range. Then keep the aircraft steady until the bomb has steered away and locked onto GPS coordinates. Watch the map and HUD to observe the bomb's trajectory and expected impact marker. If it deviates, note wind, altitude, or input errors. If the bomb misses, troubleshoot by rechecking map coordinates, guidance mode, and potential network latency. Then recoordinate and rerun the pass, adjusting approach or aim point to correct the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.